You want to know the truth? Most traders fail, not because they're dumb, but because no one told them how this game really works. If you're serious about trading, if you've ever blown an account or felt stuck staring at your charts, then stick around, because in this video, I'm going to share the top 3 reasons most traders lose money, and more importantly, how you can avoid making the same mistakes. Let's go. Reason number 1, they get one big win and think they've cracked the code, so they double down. No stop loss, no risk management, just vibes. And then boom, it's gone. One trade wipes out everything. Here's the fix. Treat this like a business. Professional traders risk just 1% per trade. You do that, you survive long enough to learn. Capital protection is everything. Remember this. If you protect your money, the market will give you more of it. Reason number 2, they trade on emotions. One red candle, and they panic. One green spike, and they go all in. Look, trading without emotional control is like driving drunk. It's just a matter of time before you crash. You need to stay calm. Discipline isn't optional. It's your edge. Take breaks. Walk away when it gets too much. Because the trader who controls their mind controls their money. And reason number 3, no plan, no patience. Just blind clicks and big dreams. They want profits in 7 days, but don't put in 7 weeks of learning. No journaling, no backtesting, no structure. Look, trading is a skill, and every skill needs a system. Create your strategy, test it, track it, and improve it. Patience doesn't just pay emotionally, it pays in percentages. So here's the truth. Most traders fail because they treat this like a shortcut to quick money. But you're here, watching this. That means you're already ahead of the crowd. Now it's time to take control. If you're serious about leveling up, join me live, Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. India time. We talk charts, we talk psychology, we talk real trading, no fluff. Let's learn, let's grow, together.